If you're disconnected with yourself, you're not gonna be able to connect with anybody else and you're going to live your life in resentment. So you have to stay connected with your true self. Hey bestie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Khushi. I talk about self-development, personal growth and authenticity while fostering deeper and meaningful connections. So if you're on that journey, subscribe to my channel and let's grow together. So when we are growing up, we start convincing people to stay in our life, and just to make them stay, we start molding ourselves into someone who we are not. And we start wearing a mask of what the society expects. And if you keep living like that, you're never gonna be truly happy. Because you keep losing yourself, you forget who you truly are. So in order to be truly happy, you have to stay content to who you truly are. So let's get right into it. First, we are trying to find ourselves again. So in order to do that, you have to first focus on yourself. You have to give yourself time. You have to think how you really feel, what you really want, what you really need, what are your feelings, your emotions. You have to focus on yourself. And the best way to do it is take a detox from social media and just try to forget what people think about you, what their expectations are of you, and how they perceive you. Focus on yourself. Give yourself time. Second, ground yourself. Meditate, do deep breath exercises, take a walk in the nature, listen to some pleasant music. Just try to focus within. Just try to calm the thunderstorm that's going inside of you. Be very calm and try to focus on yourself. Third, don't be afraid of your thoughts. Let your thoughts wander. Welcome them, accept them. You have to focus on what you're thinking, what you're feeling, what your emotions are trying to tell you. Don't be afraid of your thoughts. Don't neglect them. Don't discharge them. Let them in. Accept them and analyze what's going on inside of you. You can take out your journal or write it on your notes app and just think what is really important to you. What do you value the most? What do you believe in the most? Or maybe start thinking about yesterday, how you felt yesterday, what you were thinking yesterday. Don't think about what the society expects. Think about what do you truly want. What were you really thinking? Don't be afraid of those thoughts. Let them in. Don't dismiss them. Ask yourself these questions and be completely honest. Do not judge yourself. Let your thoughts flow. Fourth, date yourself. Get to know yourself. Spend time with yourself. You are your priority. You have to make yourself feel loved. You have to make yourself happy. It is your responsibility, not anybody else's. So you have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your mind, body and soul. Make time for your hobbies. Watch your favorite movie. Order your favorite dessert. Just do what you truly love and get to know yourself. Fifth, very important, reevaluate the relationships in your life. Many a times we don't even want to accept that some relationships are just not for us anymore. We keep trying to just drag them while we truly just know that it's not working for us anymore. So you have to learn to just let them go. You have to evaluate the people who make you feel uncomfortable, unappreciated, or the ones with whom you are not able to be yourself anymore. Many a times, people in our lives hold us back because they can't accept that we are changing or becoming a different person now. So you have to analyze it and say your goodbyes. Sixth, learn to say no. Now just imagine you're dating someone and they don't even know how to say no, and because of that they keep draining themselves. How would you feel? Exactly. So you have to learn to say no, because if you keep draining yourself, you won't have anything to give to yourself. So when something is absolutely not okay with you, learn to say no. You don't have to people please, because that is exactly what got you in this position in the first place. So instead of draining yourself, just say no. Seventh, try new things. Don't be afraid of trying something new. Go on an adventure, try a new hobby, learn to cook, bake, read a novel, learn something new. It is gonna help you to know yourself better. 8. This is a crucial one. Be patient with yourself. Now you're dating someone who is getting to know themselves, who's trying to find themselves, who's going through a lot. So you have to be patient with them. So be patient with yourself. Try to love yourself and try to give yourself time. And now, take a deep breath with me. Bestie, I know you feel empty, confused, exhausted, and nothing makes sense. Trust me, I've been there, I get it. I know your world feels black and white, but you gotta believe in yourself. Now that you have decided that you wanna find yourself again, you wanna connect with yourself and bring some colors into your life, you are already on the right path. You just have to have faith and give yourself time. You will get there. I believe in you. Okay? So if you like this video, hit the like button and comment if you're trying to find yourself again. And subscribe so that we can grow together. See you in my next video. Bye.